Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, find the contact which you'd like to block and then tap on it. And now all we have to do is to scroll down to contact settings and tap on block numbers. If you can't find it here, no worries, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and the option block numbers will appear. So now just tap on it, and here your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So I don't want to report it as a spam, and simply tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked the number. Obviously we can unblock it here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist, because that's the second way of blocking the number. And to enter it, we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. You can be on contacts, recents or favorites, doesn't matter. Just tap on the three dots icon and enter the settings. Here in this general section we have to tap on blocked numbers, and this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option works. We can also tap on add a number, tap on this section and enter the number manually. Tap on block and it will be immediately blocked, obviously. So at the top we've got also the option unknown. We can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and basically your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can also unblock the number just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.